The eclipse is a 2D object, and when we drag it into the scene tree and or scene editor, you can see that it just basically looks like a ring. First, we'll just drag one of our materials on it, and then we'll click on the eclipse icon to go into the Eclipse properties editor. The first thing that we have in the eclipse is the use LOD again. Below that, we have a corners, and the minimum number on that is 3. And the maximum number is up to 1,000. So depending on what shape you're going for, you can adjust the corners accordingly to achieve the smoothness you need in the shape. Now below that we have an inner radius 1, so we can adjust the inner radius 1 here. And we also have an inner radius 2 below that, so we can adjust the inner radius 2 here. Below the inner radius you have your outer radius settings, and we have an outer radius 1 here that we can adjust, and also an outer radius 2. Below that, there is a hole offset X, so we can move our hole to the left or right using the hole offset X, and then a hole offset Y, we can move it up or down. There's also a hole offset Z, which moves it backwards or forwards in Z space. Now again, we have a rotation and angle, so if I were to come in and adjust my angle here, and then come back up into our rotation and adjust the rotation, we could rotate this eclipse. So there are a lot of different shapes you can make with the eclipse object, so you just may need to experiment to get the shape that you want.